Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the DIRZone 200 meter reel. So this is a large oversized reel. This is really for laying down guidelines in Ks and Recs. So closer look, the main sort of handle and sort of frame of it is made out of metal. So this is some kind of anodized aluminium or sort of magnesium blend. Decent sized grab handle on that. So even if you're wearing big chunky gloves, you've got a decent grip of that. You have a traditional sort of locking screw mechanism to stop it from paying out line. Unscrew that. You've got a nice sort of knurled, sort of oversized mechanism on that. So really easy to grab, especially with those big chunky gloves. Unscrew it, and then you can start paying out line, and then lock it down to stop it going in either direction. 200 meters of this sort of thick white line. This is sort of 2mm line, a decent braid on it, and you've got that little section of tubing as well, just so you get a bit more control and it's not going to go through the frame. So the spool of it is a plastic sort of Delrin type material. You've got a decent sort of winder on that, so very easy to wind back on, and it comes as standard with a double ender and a little attachment point there to attach a bolt snap. So fantastic. Plenty of line. 200 meters is more than enough that you need to get in and out of a cave system. This is the DIRZone 200 meter reel. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.